Hello, my name is Lucas. I am a developer here at Atopian, and I'm going to be showing you an integration between OpenClaw and IMAP/SMTP servers. Today we'll be using Gmail, which is the most common email account that you can have. However, this should work for Yahoo, Outlook, etc., etc. The only thing that's going to change is how you get the credentials. I should flag first that if you're going to use Gmail, you would be much better served using the GOG CLI, which would allow you to integrate with all the Google APIs. But if you're only interested in email and you want something quick and easy, this should suffice. So the first thing that you're going to do is go into myaccount.google.com/security, and you're going to enable the two-step verification. I already did that way before, so I'm going to just skip this step. Next thing is to go in here and search for app passwords. And this should allow us, as you can see, app passwords help you sign into your Google account on other apps and services that don't support modern security standards. I'm going to create an app called OpenClaw, and this should give me a 16 characters string, as you can see, which I'm then going to use as a password into the SMTP client. So I will copy this, and then if I go back into my VPS, which is running OpenClaw, the first thing that I would need to do is to install the SMTP IMAP skill. So ClawHub install IMAP SMTP email. As you can see, I'm getting an error because I've already installed this. But now that we have the directory where the skill was installed, I should go in here. And as you can see here, we have this bash.sh script, which we're going to use as the configurator for our SMTP connection. Before that, one thing that you should do is run npm install to install the node mailer package that lives inside here, the package.json, so that the scripts work. Once you do that, you go and run bash setup.sh. So this will ask you for what your email provider. I'm going to use Gmail. Here it's saying what I already said about setting up two-step verification and the 16-character password. Right now I'm just going to put in my email, and then I'm going to hop back in, copy and paste this password. I'm going to accept self-signed certificates. I'm going to say none of this. Configuration saved, SMTP, everything seems to have been working. I believe I can now hop into my OpenClaw connection and try to see if we can send an email using that. So now I'm back in OpenClaw, and let's see if it works. I'm going to ask my OpenClaw bot to send an email with some random text. So it's going to be something like, hey, use the IMAP SMTP email skill to send an email to example@example.com with the body sending this from inside an OpenClaw instance. Let's see if this is going to work. I believe it's going to ask for confirmation. So I'm just going to reply with send it. And as you can see, it just sent the email that I requested. And I believe that is the entire workflow. Thank you guys very much. See you soon.